Hi, everyone. I'm going to spend a few minutes talking about Citrix's holistic security model, one that aligns with the Zero Trust framework with solutions designed to help you secure your workforce and secure your apps. If you're a longtime Citrix customer, then you know that security isn't a new topic for us. In fact, it's the bedrock of what we've done for many years securing applications, access, networks, data, and endpoints. Of course, today's IT reality is very different from the way things looked 5 or 10 years ago. Over the last decade, the set of applications that people want to secure has shifted from those running in your data center or on desktops to also include mobile apps, web apps, SaaS apps, and other third-party services, dramatically changing the nature of the problem. While new work models increasingly create opportunities for business, they also increase the attack surface. We see a great number of devices, apps, and content that need to be controlled by IT, employees accessing web and SaaS apps from any device, the transition away from the rigidity of traditional on-prem network-centric solutions, and the demand for employees to be able to access personal apps and sites, requiring the need for secure containerization to avoid leakage of company IP. As the deployment and integration of tools designed for protecting everything around the user has rolled out, there's been inconsistent enforcement of security policies, increased cost and complexity. And the collateral damage is a degraded user experience, unhappy employees and unhappy IT. Nobody wins. There's a better approach, and it's the one that we've long been investing in to reduce the attack surface. Instead of protecting everything around the user, we protect the user by protecting the workspace, providing a secure container with integrated access security and app control to prevent data leakage and protect users from endpoint threats, and seamless browser isolation for gray sites beyond simple allow and deny lists. We've been focused on bringing the same level of security we've historically been known for providing in virtual apps and desktops to all types of applications delivered through the workspace. One of our founding principles is customer choice, and we want to ensure that you can pick any application that matters to you, that's critical to your business, and deliver it with confidence to your employees, knowing that it's secure. The work we've done aligns with the Zero Trust philosophy, where we start with assuming no information and trust about a user or application. And as they present more valid information and the trust increases, we give them more access. This is a significant change to the old castle and moat approach of VPN access for remote workers, where once you set up a VPN tunnel from your computer to your network, generally speaking, you have access to everything, like the one key that unlocks the entire network. Rather than giving the user permissions to everything and then denying them permissions when things go wrong, we adopt the opposite model, a Zero Trust model, with continuous risk-based analysis and trustworthiness of a user or device to provide the right access to that application at the right time. In the next security segment, Calvin will take you through some of our solutions designed to secure your workforce, including secure workspace access, SD-WAN, Citrix Analytics for security, and a brand new solution we are announcing today, Secure Internet Access. Now, we recognize that Citrix is just one piece of your IT puzzle, and providing a complete Zero Trust solution requires other partners to participate. As a leader in workspace, we know that one of the big areas that's really important for customers is that there's collaboration in the ecosystem around security. When we collaborate with our partners in the security ecosystem, share insights and data, and actually help deliver more comprehensive solutions for our customers, it benefits all of us. We have a comprehensive partner ecosystem through the Citrix Ready Workspace Security Program that addresses compatibility of security integrations across workspace services, including access security, application and network security, analytics and visibility, data security, and device security. Today, We're excited to announce that we're expanding the program with partner solutions that have zero trust principles built in and integrated with secure workspace access, Citrix Endpoint Management, and Citrix Analytics for Security to provide a collective approach for our customers to simplify the selection of security vendors while leveraging their existing investments to drive zero trust outcomes. We're engaging with like-minded partners, including Cisco, Google, and Microsoft, who are willing to share data and insights that allow us to deliver more comprehensive and more secure solutions to our customers. This is a level of sharing that goes beyond just hooking into the workspace, but about products that actually communicate with each other and share essential, critical information about security. For example, if an identity solution saw me log in on 3 separate devices on 3 continents, and only one of those devices happened to be through the workspace, Citrix wouldn't necessarily know that. But the identity solution would determine that something bad was happening with that set of credentials and could inform us in the workspace, notifying that the user has logged on to other devices in other locations. And likewise, Citrix could share information with them about unorthodox or unusual behavior that we see in the workspace and push that back into their intelligent network. Those kind of bidirectional product connections are what we are looking to realize to strengthen the security around your workforce even more. The Citrix-ready workspace security program with Zero Trust provides customers with a more comprehensive way to implement and achieve Zero Trust outcomes within their organization, with a choice of vendors to use with the workspace or reuse the existing investments they've made. We're very optimistic about the impact these partnerships can have on our customers' security posture. Now, I've talked a lot about the work we are doing to help you secure your workforce. In another session in our Security Summit series, Calvin will dive into more detail into the specific solutions Citrix is delivering to do just that. Let me spend just a moment addressing another critical area, which is the investments we are making to help you secure your apps. We live in an app and API economy. Applications are a valuable yet vulnerable asset. They govern everything a business does. As the lifeblood of a business, it is critical to protect them from the constant barrage of threats they endure. But keeping up with the increasing number of threat vectors is hard. Threats are becoming much more sophisticated, and as applications move to a multi-cloud deployment, it adds complexity and fragmentation, compounding an already complicated security problem. Citrix continues to invest in technologies critical to secure workspace and app delivery, providing holistic protection through web app firewall, bot and API protection, and analytics across monolithic and microservice-based applications to ensure low latency and a great user experience. We do this with a consistent security posture and single-pass architecture for better performance, all managed from a cloud-based control plane supporting every form factor and cloud, powered by AI-driven analytics and the flexibility of a single all-you-can-eat license model. In another segment in our Security Summit series, Carissa will walk you through a new solution we're announcing today, Citrix Web App and API Protection Service, that will help you ensure security of your apps. To summarize the work Citrix is doing on security, we absolutely recognize the complexity that organizations are facing in managing a more diverse infrastructure, a more diverse population of users, and a more diverse set of applications. And our investments in security are very much aligned with mapping to that new world that we see customers in. At the same time, our focus in supporting existing investments on applications and deployments that customers have on-prem is absolutely critical. And we are integrating that into our overall view of how these things come together. And lastly, we continue to collaborate deeply with the partners that really matter with regard to delivering complete, holistic solutions to increase your enterprise security posture and help you better secure your workforce and your apps. Thank you for joining us at Workspace Summit, and I hope to see you all very soon.